Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. Today we are going to solve a few questions on differential equations. The question is, consider the PDE, that is the partial differential equation, x del u del x plus yu del u del y is equal to minus xy for x greater than 0, subject to u is equal to 5 on xy is equal to 1. Then option A, uxy exists when xy less than equal to 19 and uxy is equal to uyx for xy greater than 0. Option B, uxy exists when xy greater than is equal to 19 and uxy is equal to uyx for x or y greater than 0. Option C, u1, 11 is equal to 3, u13, minus 1 is equal to 7, and option D, u1, minus 1 is equal to 5 and u11, 1 is equal to minus 5. Now Lagrange's auxiliary equations are dx by x is equal to dy by yu is equal to du by minus xy. Taking yx1 as the set of multipliers, we get dx by x is equal to dy by yu is equal to du by minus xy is equal to y dx plus x dy plus du by xyu. Now from the last two equations we get xy plus u plus u square by 2 is equal to c. On solving further for the initial condition u is equal to 5 on xy is equal to 1, we get the equation of the form u square plus 2u minus 37 plus 2xy is equal to 0. Now for option A for the solution, so for option A for the solution, the discriminant of the equation is 4 into 38 minus 4xy greater than is equal to 0, which further implies xy less than equal to 19, and clearly uxy is equal to u of yx. Therefore option A is correct and option B is incorrect using this condition. And for option C and D, now for option C, if you will put the values in the equation, you'll get these to be correct. These can be easily verified and we'll find C to be correct and D to be incorrect as it does not satisfy the above equation. This is very easy and I'm leaving this up to you. Therefore Option A and option C are the correct options.